Rachel, and I want to thank White House Boutique for having me as their fearless female this week. I'm going to show you my favorite fall diffuser blend. It's called Cozy Flannel that I absolutely love. I use Young Living essential oils, which are really high quality and really concentrated. I like a lot of scent, so I'm going to put 2 drops of each oil in this diffuser blend. I'm going to first put orange in there. Like I said, 2 drops. And this is called Cozy Flannel. I think we got a little more than 2 drops, but that's okay. This is called Cozy Flannel, and it's a really nice fall scent. It's really crisp and clean, and it almost resembles like the leaves outside in the fall. It's a really great scent for your home. 2 drops of bergamot, aka the happy oil. And then we're gonna do 2 drops of Stress Away, which is a Young Living blend, and some call it a vacation in a bottle. It's a really great, relaxing, calming scent. So 2 drops of that. And then you are all set. And this will fill 1 or 2 rooms with scents for about 4 to 5 hours. And that is the Cozy Flannel Diffuser Blend. Next time you're in Frankenmuth, Little Bavaria, be sure to stop by White House Boutique for all of your fall fashion, gifts, jewelry, and attire needs. Thanks so much.